Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the default behavior of cell pointer on Excel. Okay, well, have you ever asked yourself, whenever you press enter key on the keyboard on worksheet, the cell pointer moves downwards? Now what if you want to move upwards? Now this usually happens because of this kind of program is designed to enter data vertically on worksheet, but there are some shortcuts which you can use to change the direction of the cell pointer direction on your worksheet. For example, if you want to sneak left, you can simply press tab key, then it will have to move. The cell pointer will sneak to the left, to the right side. Now if you want to sneak back to the left side, you simply hold shift then press tab. It will have to shift back to left. Now what if you want to move up the cell pointer? To do that, you simply have to press shift and then hit enter key on the keyboard. Then the cell pointer will have to move upward. Now that is not enough. There's also another way you can change the default behavior of cell pointer direction. That one can only be achieved if you just go to file tab there, click there, then move to option down here, click there. Now it will open up this dialog box. Now you have to hit on advanced, click there. Then when you check here, we have to uncheck or to check. If you check this box here, it means when you press enter key on the keyboard, the cell pointer will not have to move, but it will remain in the same location. But we can also be able to check and also change the direction of cell pointer. To do that, let me show you. Now we have direction here. Direction here, if you change the direction here, it means it automates the cell pointer movement to go to the direction that you have chosen from here. Now for example, let me choose up, this direction up, like that. Then let me hit OK. Now whenever I hit enter key on the keyboard, the cell pointer direction will move up. Let me hit enter, it will move up like that. Let me show it here. Let me hit now enter again. When I hit enter key on the keyboard, it will move the cell pointer up like that. You can still be able to change, even you can still change the other also direction by going to file tab, option to advance. You can change another direction as well. If you want to change the default behavior of this Excel, whenever you hit enter, the direction of the cell pointer to change, you can still do that. If you find this video very important, please consider subscribing to this channel.